This is a 2021 Forest River Sandpiper 3330BH, 38-foot fifth wheel. This comes with 3 slides. It also has a outside mini fridge, dual entrance, solar charging system, sofa sleeper, dinette sleeper, 2-door refrigerator, bunkhouse, with a twin loft, additional twin with a sofa sleeper underneath, this has 2 full bathrooms as well. HD TV, another full bath, walk around queen bed, For more information, give us a call at 360-314-6141. I'd like to say welcome to Annie's RV in Vancouver, Washington.